Doodles! Why is a three-turn called a three-turn? Three-turn looks like this on the ice, and it's very simple. If you turn it on its side, it looks like the number 3. Now you know. This is an easy way to remember some of your turns. If you think about the shape of a turn, for example the 3-turn, and now if you didn't know, the 3-turn is a circular shaped turn. So if you can imagine this as a circle, the edge in and the edge out follow the same circle. And the bracket turn is also a circle. The only difference is on a bracket, you'll turn the turn out of the circle, whereas the 3-turn turns into the circle. So here again, if you can just picture this as a circle, the entry edge is the same as the exit edge curved circle. Now the other shape you could have is an S-shaped turn, like a counter or a rocker or a trapdoor. So the only difference between these two, they are opposite, because if you think about the center, the 3-turn turns into the circle and the bracket turns away from the circle. Opposite turns for you today, rocker and counter. Always find these two very similar. There is a difference though, which we'll talk about. The rocker turns naturally to its entry edge and the counter turns counter-rotated to its entry edge, but they are both S-shaped turns. In a counter turn, your foot turns counter-rotated to your entry edge's rotation, and in a rocker, it turns naturally or the same way. So you can see these two turns. If we're going from the bottom to the top in these, which direction your foot would turn in for the rocker here, and if you go in the same direction on the counter, your foot would turn out of the circle here. One more opposite turn for you. We're going to look at the mohawk. There's an inside mohawk, which is considered as easy, and there's an outside mohawk, which in dance is considered one of our difficult turns. So you can see they're the same shape, and just like all the other opposite turns, the inside mohawk will turn naturally with its entry edge rotation, and the outside mohawk will turn counter to its entry edge rotation, and this is what makes them opposite. Here we have the inside mohawk on the left. You can see that the change foot curves come into the circle, and the outside mohawk on the right, the change foot curves go just slightly outside of the circle, and showing that they are both the same circular shape. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.